Good morning, class 10th. Today we start the next chapter, solve problem based on the quadratic equation. This chapter is based on the previous chapter, that is quadratic equation, and this is the next part of previous chapter. So let we start. We will start the word problem. Here, question number first. Sum of the two natural number is 8 and the difference of their reciprocals is 2 by 15. Find the number. For such type of question, first we make the quadratic equation, then we solve. So let me start. Let the natural numbers be x and the other number are 8 minus x. Because of sum of these two should be 8 is given. So first number is x and second number 8 minus x. According to the problem, the difference of their reciprocals. First be reciprocal of first one, that is 1 upon x. Next reciprocal second number, that's 1 upon 8 minus x, and sub difference means minus is equals to 2 upon 15. Now take the LCM, solve. X at 8 minus x is the LCM, so this multiply by this and this multiply by this. Cross multiplication over here equals 2 upon 15. Now solve 8 minus 2x, it is over here, and 8x minus x square equals 2 upon 15. Now cross product over here, 15 multiply by this and 12 multiply by this, 2 multiply by this. That over here, that is 15 at the 120, 15 to the 30, 8 to the 16, and 2x square. Now shift over here, make the quadratic equation over there. 2x square minus 46x plus 120 is equals to 0. So here whole equation is divided by 2, so then we divide by 2, that is x square minus 23x plus 160 plus 60 equals to 0. Now factorize 60 over here, the sum of these two numbers 23 and multiply by 60, so that is 20 plus 3. Here in the place of 23, 20 plus 3 and minus sign over there, that is 23 minus 3x over here. Now take the common, x minus 20 minus 3 common, x minus 20, x minus 20 both in common, x minus 3 equals to 0. The first number is x equals to 20 and x equals to 3. Here x is 20 is equals to reject because of the sum of numbers is 8 and the 20 is greater than 8, so it not be possible. Only number is 3, and second number 8 minus 3 is equals to 5. So this is the answer. The next question, the same topic. A can do a piece of work in X days and B can do in the same work in X plus 16 days. If we both together, they can do it in 15 days. Calculate X. So let me do. A can do a piece of work in X days. B can do in X plus 16 days, and total days is given 15. So first we find out 1 day work of A and B. So first day work of A, that is 1 upon X, and 1 day work of B, that is 1 upon X plus 16. 1 day work together, that is 1 upon x plus 1 upon x plus 16, and this equals to 1 upon 15. So this is the quadratic equation. 1 upon x plus 1 upon x plus 16 is equals to 1 upon 15. Now take LCM and solve. The final quadratic equation is given. We get x square minus 14x minus 240 is equals to 0. Now 240 is the number can be factorized, that these two number subtraction should be 14 and multiply should be 240. So that is 24 minus 10, 14 is there, and 24 into 10, 240. So x square minus 24x plus 10x minus 240 is equals to 0. Now solve it. Finally we get x equals to 24 or minus 10. Minus 10 is reject because of working the days of is not count in negative, so it is reject. So only number is 24. So we will, the value of x is 24. Now next question. The hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 26 and the sum of other two sides is 34. Find the length of its side. So what we do, first of all, what is make that right angle triangle, and AC is given 26. These two, let be A and B. AC is given 26 and AB is given A and BC is given B, and these two side equals to 34. So we will find equation A plus B is equals to 34. This is equation first and this is equation 2. Now by the Pythagoras theorem we know hypotenuse square equals to base square plus perpendicular square. Now we apply over here. AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. AC square means 26 square equals to A square plus B square. Finally we get 26 square 676. This is equation third. Now we know A plus B whole square equals to A square plus B square plus 2AB. Now by the property of this we will find the value of AB. Put the values and find the answer, that is 2ab is equals to 480. This is equation 4. Now again we will find a minus b ka whole square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab property. Put the values. Here we will find a minus b whole square equals to 196. Taking square root, that is we will get a minus b is equals to 14, and a plus b already we have a plus b is equals to 34. Now add together, b cancel, that is 2a is equals to 48 and a is equals to 24. This value put in equation second. Finally we get b is equals to 10. These be two values we have to find. A is equals to 24 and b is equals to 10 centimeter. Now same topic, another one. Question: the perimeter of a triangle is 104 meter and its area is 640 meter square. Find its length and breadth. What we given? Perimeter is given, area is given. By the perimeter equation, 2l plus b is equals to 104 divided by 2, l plus b is equals to 52. Equation first. Now by the property of area, l into b is equals to 64. Now these two values we have, with the help of these two values we will find the a minus b. So put the values over here. We know a plus b whole square equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Put the values and solve. Finally we get l square plus b square equals to 1424. Equation third. Now we will find again al minus b whole square. Same property. Put the values. Finally we get l minus b whole square equals to 144. Now taking square root again, that is a minus b is equals to 12. L minus b we have, l plus b already we have. Now add together. Finally we get l equals to 32 centimeter. This value put in any equation, then we find the 20 centimeter. So student, this is the chapter number 6 based on the quadratic equation word problems. Now do full chapter with the book, and if anyone query, ask me. Thank you class.